Sky high. Very high. The prices are sky high in that shop. The balloons flew sky high in the air. Sickly. Very ill or unhealthy. The sickly boy stayed in bed. She looks pale and sickly. Scalding. Very hot. Be careful, the tea is scalding. He touched the scalding pan by mistake. Solemn. Very serious. His face looked solemn during the meeting. The boss spoke in a solemn voice. Squalid. Very dirty. The street was squalid after the rain. They cleaned the squalid kitchen. Compassionate. Very kind. She is a compassionate nurse who helps everyone. They are compassionate people who help the poor. Adorable. Very cute. The baby's smile is adorable. That cat made an adorable sound. Spotless. Very clean. The white shirt looks spotless after washing. The floor is spotless after cleaning. Ancient. Very old. They visited an ancient city. Ancient books are in the library. Chaotic. Very messy. The traffic was chaotic in the morning. His desk looks chaotic with papers everywhere.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!